Watch your sock, Bale.
Yeah, I'd watch that more.
More than your eyes.
The window's lit.
Okay. Come on, dude. Kennedy.
Shoot, Kennedy.
Ooh. Come on. Oh, you're empty again. No, you're not.
Stuff. How much you're missing? Oh. No, Bale.
Oh, Kennedy, come on, hide.
Oh. Hit him.
I think I need a beer. Do we have time for a beer?
Well, what time are we planning on
I
going?
don't know what you're doing this
5:30.
Yeah, I don't like that gun on that side.
On this side. Oh. Bell just about took him to the knees.
You know, it hurts less if you turn you around so you're not facing it. You can't see it, but the back has more pain, like, tolerance.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, okay, careful.
I was going to tell point blank.
Right up the hoop.
There's a...
There.
Don't bite, Cody.
You can't keep
Right up
lower.
the inside of the glass.
It's a